students, welcome to History 240, the history of ethnic groups in California. This is an introduction video and will be important for new online students and or students who are new to Canvas. So to get into our Canvas shell, you want to go to smccd.instructure.com. And then you put in here your username and password. And this should bring you to your dashboard here, which gives you a list of the classes that you're signed up for the semester. So we'll go ahead and click on here, History 240. And this is our home page here. And this is what you should be seeing on your shell for our home page. Again, for History 240, History of Ethnic Groups in California. And basically, I'm just going to point out a few icons that will be important for you to be using throughout the semester. If we start here with the Welcome to the Course and click on here, what you'll see is a series of readings that you need to complete within the next couple of days. It's an introduction to the course, a welcoming to the course, and then to flip through the different pages here, you can press the next button, which is the unit and weekly structure and time commitment, and you can press here next again. Success and necessary tools that you'll need. To go back, you simply press the previous button here, and that's basically how you kind of flip through the different assigned pages for each unit and weekly assignments. Okay, if we go back here on the home button, other important icons here is the assignment and schedule for summer 2017. And you want to make sure and read this, the reading and assignment schedule. And basically what we have is each week broken down into several different units. So for week 1, June 12th through the 15th, week 2, June 15th through the 22nd, and you'll see each unit here that needs to be completed. On the left here, you have the topic. So for example, California Indians, and then the assigned readings in the assigned textbooks. So this particular chapter is named Pablo Tak, Native Peoples in Pre-Contact California, and that's in the Davis readings. And you have the same here for Unit 2, the title of the chapter and the author. In Unit 3, we introduce the second book. So not only do you have the Davis readings, but you also have a chapter called Staking Our Claim in the Ellison readings. In addition to the assigned readings, you have additional PDF readings and newspaper readings that you'll have assigned to you for each unit and for each week. On the right-hand side, you have each assignment or graded assignment that you'll be responsible for each unit and for each week. So for week 1, you have quiz number 1, which is the practice quiz, or excuse me, if we scroll up here for week 1, you have the practice quiz and the check-in and roll call. For week 2, you have quiz number 1 and the forum discussion. And again, this is how each week and each unit is broken down for you. For week 1, you only have 2 units, but beginning on week 2, you'll have at least 3 units per week throughout the semester. And as you can see here, we have up to week 4, and then we press the next page, and we'll be moving on to week 6, week 7, and if we go back to the home page, course logistics, This is important also. What you'll see here is the course logistics, additional documents that will be given to you throughout the week, building online community, forum discussion assignments, quiz instructions and logistics, and then extra credit opportunities for the summer session. And every once in a while in emails or in instructions, I'll guide you in terms of saying, check out the course logistics and click on building online community or forum discussion assignments, etc. Okay. In addition to that, on the left-hand side, you have the modules button, and you can also see how each week and each unit is broken down for you in terms of the list of readings and exercises that you should complete for each week and for each unit. So for example, again, if you see up here, week 1, June 12th through the 15th, unit 1, this is all the material that you're responsible for. And then week 1, unit 2, we continue with an introduction to the course. Again, here's the different readings that you're responsible for, and then you finish up with a forum discussion. So for example, if we click on here, topic instructions, introduction to the course, this is what you'll see. The objectives for this unit are outlined for you here. The instructions, you have a reading, critical thinking, history and social justice. You're to watch this lecture, Introduction to History 240, and then you have your assigned readings and the assigned textbooks, which are listed here, and then you follow up with the forum discussion roll call. Okay. Another way to scroll through this, you can either click on each one, or you can follow it. It's very similar to pages in a book. So here's your history, critical thinking and social justice. You would read through this, and then you would move on once you're finished reading with this. Move on to the lecture, Introduction to History 240. You also do the assigned readings, and then you follow up here with the forum discussion and roll call. Here's the instructions here, and also the due dates will always be listed for you here in bold. Okay. If we scroll back, just to get an idea of what these online lectures look like, we'd simply press the button here.
As compared to South America being colonized,
what you'll see is a series of slides with my voice narrating. If you need to, subtitles here are very helpful, not just for students who are learning English, but also students who have mastered English already. Sometimes having the captions assist students in retaining information. All right, if we go back to the home button here, again, what you're responsible for this first week is week 1, unit 1, which is the same as start here, welcome to the course. Once you're done with that, you move on to week 1, unit 2. And again, you can either go to the modules button and move on to week 1, unit 1, and or week 1, unit 2, or you can simply, from the home page, press week 1, unit 1, or week 1, unit 2. So for example, if we press week 1, unit 2, here's your topic instructions, and again, the objectives and the instructions. Okay. Other important icons for you, the assignments icon. This will give you upcoming assignments. So again, for week 1, to demonstrate to me that you're retaining the information and you're participating in the course, you want to finish and complete the practice quiz, and then also the forum discussion roll call. And what you'll see here is when it is available and also the due date. Okay. Scrolling down, grades. This icon is also important for you. After each completing each assignment, and after I grade each assignment, you'll be able to look at each assignment here and how many points you've earned out of the possible points available to you. Other icons here, you can press on the syllabus. Here's our syllabus. Here's the required text readings, the assignments, and how you'll be graded, communication with the instructor, your objectives as stated, learning outcomes, etc. And you can continue to scroll through this for information in a basic syllabus. Another important icon for you is the chat button. Every week we'll have assigned chat sessions, and you'll simply press on that button to enter each chat session. And this will be explained to you through emails and also in the weekly instructions. Again, this is a basic introduction for you on how to navigate my Canvas shell for this course. So if you have additional questions, comments, or concerns, or need additional support from me, please contact me through email, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. All right, good luck.